prettiest of them all.
Snow White is so much prettier than you.
Get rid of her.
I've been lost in the woods for so long. Oh look! I see a cute little cottage. Someone's coming! Who are you? My name is Snow White. But you're orange! Well, can I come in? Okay, you can help keep the house clean. What's your name? My name's Dopey. You don't look like Dopey. I know. I couldn't wear the hat on account of my head's too small. Let's start on the chores.
Snow White is still alive? We'll see about that. I'll just leave this here.
Oh look! An apple! I don't feel so good. Sorry the apple killed you. Oh, she's so beautiful. What happened to her? Where am I? A handsome prince. You think I'm handsome?